What's up, everyone? Today's the 1st of January 2024. We're going to talk about Stellar today real quick, give you all the price prediction update, because you guys can see that the market in Stellar has gone across some issues right here at this sell zone that we talked about in our previous video right here. And the market attempted to break through this sell zone like the beginning of December, and then the market went down. Here is Stellar again, back at this same position, trying to break through this sell zone to the upside, and it may actually happen. So that's one of the reasons why I'm coming through and producing this video today, is that this price prediction that we currently have on our chart is not going the way that we expected it to go. And the good thing is that the market has given us ample amount of opportunity to see just that and give us opportunity to take the other side of the trade and to potentially profit from the market move to the upside. Now, even though price is here at the sell zone, there's still no guarantee that those buyers will be able to break through the sell zone, because this is this third attempt right now. And every time we saw prices still run to this sell zone, we got these indicators of weakness created right there on December the 11th, and then just again 2 days ago on the 30th of December. So what's going to happen? Well, another thing you can see off of this price chart from the price action is that the market in Stellar is actually making higher lows. So this market actually is trying to break above. And as long as that continues, then definitely our current price prediction is not going to go right. So we need to go ahead and cut this out and take it as a loss. You guys can see if we were to get out the market right now in Stellar, that would be 10.6% loss, and it will happen. But like I told you, it gives us ample amount of opportunity to see what's really going on in this space and for us to get right back into the position and potentially win. So let's look at this here. Let's go ahead and clean up this sell zone first and actually show you where the issues are coming into the market in Stellar now. Okay, so this is where that sell zone currently is for Stellar. Okay, this is the most recent, most important sell zone into the market for Stellar. Now, we can tell also that this cryptocurrency is still trending bullish. Okay, so as long as we continue to see this trade, then this sell zone that we just moved, it's not going to be impactful at all. And that we can look forward to price in Stellar trying to trend to the upside. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2-day chart into the market in Stellar. Here it is. It doesn't look too drastically bullish neither. Like, I can still see it trying to go lower in price, especially there on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3 in Stellar. Here's the 3-day printed price bar, and it still looks weak. So we should not be oblivious and say that the price action in Stellar is massively bullish, because it's not. You can see every time we run across these highs, price in Stellar goes down, right? Look at it. We've been here before, back in November. We came here at the beginning of December, and here it is again, beginning of January. Price is still showing that 14 cents is being massively impactful to this currency. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Stellar on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Take a look at Stellar on the 3. Here's on the 5, and let's look at this on the monthly chart. Here's Stellar on the monthly time frame. Okay, so take a look. This is Stellar on 330-minute chart. You guys can tell. Let me show you that there has been buyers in the market in Stellar, which also is another indication that this currency doesn't want to go down. Okay, we can see that. Now, I must admit that I am not drastically bullish right now, but as long as we see these buyers come through and create these buy zones and price doesn't break down below them, then I would have to say that the market is still trying to gain momentum and continue to inch higher in price. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for price in Stellar to continue to go up in price, but like I said, I can't be massively bullish, and I won't give you all some outlandish price prediction or target today or right now, because I just don't see it off of the charts. And if I don't see it on the charts, then I cannot actually predict that. So with that being stated, let me go and show you what I'm thinking in terms of price action in Stellar. The first area that I'm going to look at is right here at the low of the sell zone. Okay, it's only 2.4% market move higher for where the price currently is. It's not a lot, but I definitely want us to understand that at some points we have to just be complacent and acceptable to what the market is just going to give us. And that would be, in this situation, 2.4% there on the low end. Here it is, my second target for Stellar. Right here around 13.5 cents, 4.33%. And then my third target is all the way up there at the high of that sell zone, which is around 14 cents. And that gives us around 7% movement to the upside there, okay? So again, I think it's going to be crucial in the next couple of, 2 or 3 days to see how these buyers react to the selling that hit the market in Stellar on the 30th and the 31st. So far, what we have on the daily time frame, it does look feasible, reasonable to say that buyers are still here. But I want to give the market a little bit more time to actually placate that and continually confirm to us that they want to hold the price in Stellar. Okay, so let me go ahead and lower this down to this area, 12 cents. As long as the market holds 12 cents, preferably in this situation, we want to see price hold that trend line. As long as that holds, then our idea looking for Stellar to go up is definitely reasonable. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Stellar. Where do you think the market is headed? I know there's been some other cryptocurrency that has gone berserk, gone crazy, shot up to the moon, and then the next couple of days, I mean not days, but next couple of hours, the market came all the way back down. You know what I'm talking about. Here it is right here. This is the cryptocurrency that ran up massively throughout the trading day, and then it completely crashed in 1 hour bar. You guys can tell it's crazy how the market in Teller, I think it is, it ran up 114% in a couple of hours, and then within that same time span in 1 hour, that cryptocurrency fell 207%, and it still looked like it's kind of trending bearish. So yeah, you got to be careful out here in the cryptocurrency space, because you never know where the market is going to trend. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.